rented this Camry. We're down here in Florida, and I have to agree with Scotty on this one. It has this really cool, what I call adaptive cruise control. They're calling it radar, but I'm going to show you how it works. So I just put it on radar ready. I'm going to pick the speed up and set it. Show you what it does. You see the car in front of me. All right, so let's see here. All right, so I set it. It's set at 75, and you can see the car starting to respond already. It's slowing down because the car in front of me is not moving out. Now I'll switch lanes. This car is going a little faster, and we'll see what it does. 74, picks right up, no problem. So it's a pretty cool feature. I like it. You can see the screen in the Camry. Got the navigation on with the Apple CarPlay. And now I'll just change lanes with this guy going slower. I'm not touching it. I'll show you what it does. It just automatically slowed down, starting to hit the brake. Downshift. Took me down to 69. So it's adapting to the vehicle traveling in front of us. Works very nice. And it will let me accelerate. Also, if I want to, I can force it up here to get close to him. Up to 73, now I'll let it go and see what it does. Picks the car up, starts to slow down. Really nice car. It's very comfortable. Like I said, I have to agree with Scotty on this one. I'm not a big fan. That's the lane sensing. So as I start to get over, if I'm not signaling, I'll try to show you on the right. It's going to autocorrect steering and try to force me back left or right. If I signal, it'll allow me to change lanes. But so yeah, lane sensing capabilities. Really cool. Nice little vehicle. So yeah, Scotty's right. This Toyota Camry is pretty cool. And I don't always agree with Scotty because I think he's just a little biased. You know, he loves those Toyotas, and I've always worked on the American stuff, so I'm a little partial to the American stuff. But this is a really cool car. I like it. And again, here we are. It's just adapting, slowing down. And there's a Tesla just got out in front of us, so I'll get over in the fast lane here. Signaled. And now you'll watch it pick back up. Safe to go. Really cool. Kind of like it. So, see if this guy makes a move in front of us. He did. But he's moving at a fast speed, so as long as that car's moving out, it's not going to brake. But when it understands it needs to slow down, it'll put the brakes on. So, pretty cool feature. So yeah, thumbs up, Scotty. I like it.